This Pat's tutors Scientia Ipsa Potentia.
Hello everyone, you are welcome to biology video lecture series with Akerele Oladimeji Philip coming from Scientia Tutors, Nigeria. This is we're talking about division Angiosperm. That's the last division under kingdom plantain. I will want you to, I believe you must have seen videos on the beginning part of this, so it should not be hard for you to understand sometimes here. Now, the general characteristics of angiosperms is that, now let me say something. The ones I start starting some things here. They have two roots, stem and leaf, as well as flowers. This particular one is peculiar to angiosperms. Gymnosperms have this, Akerele have this. They have roots. Alright? But what I'm saying here is that for angiosperm, the one that only them have is they have flowers plus these other ones. Alright? Now, their seeds are enclosed in fruits. Please bear this in mind. It is only plants that have flowers that will have ovary, that will then have fruits. Let's look at this. Let me quickly draw a flower, what it means. What a raw sketch of a flower. This is a very raw sketch of a flower. Then we can see this is the female part, this is the male part. So this is your stamen, this is your carpel or gynecium or pistil, this is your petal, this is your sepal. Now pay attention to this. Now looking at all of this as it were, this structure here is called the stigma, this structure here is called style, this structure is called ovary. Inside the ovary you have ovules. So because they are angiosperms, this ovule will change to seed. Don't worry, when you see my video on flower, you understand that better. This ovary will change to fruit. So that's what we said in here, that their seeds are enclosed in fruits. Why are they enclosed in fruit? Because they have ovary, which are developed from ovary. The ovary will become the fruits. Alright? They are commonly called flowering plants. Alright? Now, they are made up of well-developed vascular bundles. I already said that is common to even gymnosperm too. They are further divided into the following classes: monocotyledonae and the dicotyledonae. Alright? Because when we put the AE, that talks about the fact that it's a class. Now, they are heterosporous, like I told you. Don't worry, very shortly we'll talk about this extensively. They are heterosporous, that means they have pollen grain and ovum. I told you that already. Now, they exhibit double fertilization. I will explain this also. In fact, it is only this category that has the ability to carry out double fertilization. That means two gametes are being fertilized at the same time, which is not common in any other organism. Alright, now, the flower of angiosperm may be monoecious or dioecious. Let's quickly digress here. If something is monoecious, please pay attention at this juncture. It means that there are two types of flowers on different parts of the plant. Let me give you an example of what I'm saying. Let me draw this as a maize plant. This is a maize plant. It has something here called tassel. Please pay attention. When a plant is monoecious, it means it has two types of flowers on different parts. What does that mean? This tassel is made up of a type of flower called pistillate. What's the meaning of pistillate? It means the flower has only female part. That means the flower will look like this alone. Just male part. Female part. Pistil is another word for carpel. So it means all the flower on this this part of this plant are all female plant flower alone. And here it has what we call staminate. Oh, sorry, the other way, that was a mistake. Sorry, the ones here are staminate. Please, I beg your pardon. The ones here are staminate. Staminate, which will look like this. It means they have only male parts, staminate, here. But this one is pistillate. Pistillate. Which is the only, it's just a female part of flower alone. Alright? So any plant that has this on two parts, that means the pistil, so the staminate flower are here, the pistillate flower are here. So the pollen grain must be taken from here to here by wind. So this is a unisexual flower, unisexual flower. When you see my video on flowers, you understand better. So that's made of monoecious. An example of this is a maize plant. What dioecious plant means, a plant that from, let's say this is plant A, plant B, or the same species. Example is pawpaw. We have female pawpaw and male pawpaw. Why does that? What does that mean? It means all the flowers on this will be staminate. All the flowers on this will be pistillate. And that's a dioecious plant. Now, the flowers may be unisexual. Now, like I said, pistillate, staminate are unisexual flower. When you hear the word pistillate, it means it contains pistil alone. When you say staminate, it contains stamen alone. Alright? Now, if you say bisexual, it contains the two, just like what we saw here, not quite long. This is a bisexual flower. It contains stamen and pistil or carpel. As one of them, they have two names. This one is called stamen or androecium. This one is called, it has three names. It's called pistil, it's called carpel, it's called gynecium. Those are the three names they call this. And this one has two names. In fact, for easy remembrance, when you say stamen, men is for male. So this is the male part of the flower that contains anther and filament. And the anther contains pollen grain. While your female part contains stigma, style, and ovary. Alright? Now, moving on. Pollination could be by different means. It could be by wind. It could be by animal, insect, or water. If the flower is pollinated by wind, we call it anemophilous. Alright? If it is now, if it is pollinated by animal, it is called zootophilous. Zootophilous. If it is pollinated by insect, it is called entomophilous. Entomophilous. And if it is pollinated by water, it is called hydrophilous. Alright? Based on the medium of pollination. Alright? Okay, now let's look at the differences between dicots, monocot and dicots. Now, I'm sorry, these points were not arranged in their, there's no order to it, but I will try to please be sincere. Be straight. Now, there is no secondary growth in monocot, while there is secondary growth in dicot. Please, let's look at this here. When you have a cross section of a monocot and a dicot, the body of the monocot does not become so hard. That means secondary thickening. That happens in dicot. So dicot undergoes what we call secondary growth. That's why you can use them for wood. They are strong. But for monocot, they don't undergo secondary thickening. So you can't use them for wood. All the wood you sit on or I sit on, those furnitures are what? Dicot, because they have what? They undergo what called secondary growth or secondary thickening. So they are strong. Alright? That's not secondary growth. Now, in the roots of monocot and dicot, there is a difference in them. Please, let's quickly look at that. Now, this is the cross section of the root of monocot and dicot. You can see that at the middle of a monocot, you see a large vacuum which is called pith. But for dicot, instead of having pith there, what you have there is your phloem and xylem. But for monocot, the phloem is your xylem, is your phloem. Alright? So you can see that there's a difference. There's a large hole called pith in monocot roots, but for dicot, it is replaced with what? With xylem and phloem, which is the vascular bundles. Alright? Moving on. Looking at, they have adventitious roots or fibrous root system. It means their root is shallow. What does that mean? Let's quickly look at this. Let's say this is a monocot. This is the surface of the soil. Adventitious root looks like this. They are not deep. In fact, if you see a maize, you see that it used to have a root outside. That's adventitious root or fibrous root. Even all your grasses, those grasses, you know that their root is shallow. You see, it doesn't go too deep. But for dicot, this is for monocot. For dicot, the roots, they exhibit what we call fibrous root system. Sorry, tap root system. It goes deep. It goes down and deep. So this is dicot and this is tap root system, which is deeper. This is shallow for monocot. In fact, some of them you sit outside. Your sugarcane is also monocot system. For monocot, their leaf, they have what we call amphistomatic. And this one has what we call hypostomatic. Amphistomatic means they have stomata on both sides. The stomata is on what? Both sides of the leaf. While for hypostomatic, it's on what? Underneath the leaf. Let's quickly look at that in a diagram. Now, let's look at the difference in the diagram. Please pay attention. This is a monocot leaf. This is a dicot leaf. When we say it is amphistomatic, it has stomata both up and down. What I'm saying is this: if I hold my hand as a leaf, that means there's stomata on top and below. That's the meaning of amphistomatic. You can see stomata is there. This is stoma, singular. So it has stomata up, it has stomata down. I'm saying it for plural now. So that's stoma up, stoma and down. So stoma down. So you can see this is gas cell. This is gas cell. In between two gas cells, you will always have what we call a stoma. Plural of stoma is stomata. In between two gas cells, you have what? A stoma. So plural of stomata is stomata. So this is gas cell. So this is your upper epidermis, palisade mesophyll, spotty mesophyll, lower epidermis. This is your xylem and phloem. These things represent your chloroplast. This is also chloroplast. Now, let's ask this question: which epidermal cell has chloroplast in a leaf? It is your gas cell. This is epidermal cell, all of them, but gas cell have chloroplast. Gas cell have chloroplast, so they can photosynthesize. All right. And then we used to ask this question. We say that what part of the leaf is photosynthesis highest? It is your palisade mesophyll. Why? Because that's where you have your highest number of what? Chloroplast or your chlorophyll. All right. Now look at the dicot leaf. You can see that it does not have any stomata. Oh, so it is hypostomatic. The stomata is what? Underneath the leaf. All right. But everything is the same. It has air spaces. It has air spaces. It has chloroplast. It has xylem and phloem. But the stomata is underneath the leaf. Hypostomatic. Here, for monocot, the stomata is up and down, amphistomatic. So, as we're running on, now we have parallel veination for monocot. Please look at this. I'll try not to make it. All your grasses, I mean to say, all grasses are monocot. Palm tree is monocot. Maize plant is monocot because the leaf is straight, parallel. When you cut it off, you see that there's a parallel veination on it. But for what's it called? Dicot. The venation is net. It's not straight. Alright? So when you have all of those trees, and when you cut their leaves, you see that it's not totally straight. That is your what? Your dicot. Alright? Now, embryo has one seed leaf. When you have a monocot, the embryo looks somewhat just like just one. But for dicot, the embryo has two seed leaves, so to say. When you see the video on fruit and flower, you understand better. I'm just touching that here. Now, flower parts are in threes. Three threes. This one are in 4s and 5. So you can have, this one can be 3, 6, 9. You know what I'm saying? Multiple of 3. This one, it can be 8 or 10 or 12 or 16 in that order. Alright? So basically, that's an overview of division angiosperm. I believe you need to understand some things. Please feel free to ask questions if you do have one, and please make your comment. Probably there's a mistake I've made. If you would like to correct, thank you very much for your time. God bless you.